Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this wig. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig, and this wig is from SHEIN. Yes, I've tried their clothes. You know, if you watch my channel, you know that I do a lot of SHEIN try on hauls. And this time I decided to try their wig and see what it's like, and from what I'm seeing, the wig is actually nice. It's very beautiful, although the density, they can do better when it comes to density, but I believe in their website you have the option of getting the higher density and make it at least for it to be fuller, but the more density the more the money anyway. But this one is quite affordable, and the quality of the hair, I must say, is really nice, and it's really long. I think I got it in 26 inches, so it's quite long. You know, like I said, they can do better with the density, but like this is okay, because I know some people don't like wigs that are too full anyway. So it's more like a lace closure wig, and they have a band which is very secure, so when you wear it, you don't have to do anything, use any glue or anything for it. But I use my bearded spray, but it's totally optional. You're gonna see what it looks like when I put it on. You don't have to use the bearded spray. I know that going out with this wig on a daily basis, I'll just put it on with the band, and that is it, you know, seriously. When it comes to the lace, I did apply my foundation, you know, on the lace to give it a more natural look. Without further ado, let me just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is the wig and the accessories that came with the wig. This is what the wig looks like. It's really long, and it's really soft as well. And the wig came pre-parting. It has a middle part, and it also comes with this band as well to keep it very well secured. So first of all, I'm going to apply my concealer on the lace part of the wig to give it a more natural look. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. And then try to place it very well. As you guys can see, this wig, this lace looks natural, very lovely. You don't have to use the spray I used. You can just wear it like this and off you go. So I just went ahead to twist the pattern a little bit. And then I went ahead to spray my bearded spray. Like I said earlier on, it's optional, you don't have to do it. And now it's dry, I'm just going to take off the scarf. And this is what it looks like, guys. So you guys can see, it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my heat protectant serum. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to lay the closure very well, although it's already laid, but I'm just using my hot comb to lay it flatter. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is very beautiful, and it's just you just wear it and off you go. It's an easy wear and go wig. I absolutely enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.